again. Do you still remember me? I'm Top Team. Today I'm gonna teach you about Samurai Ninja. Wow, very interesting, right? If you're ready, let's go!
First, fold a paper into half. Then open it. Fold into another half to make 4 sections. Fold again and again into equal parts. Repeat the same pattern for another piece of paper. Take one piece of paper and fold the right side on the top, then on the bottom, fold to the left side. Take the second piece of paper and fold to the left side on the top, and then on the bottom, fold to the right side. Now hold the piece of paper with opposite side design like me. Start with the first paper and fold like me to form a pyramid and then inverted pyramid. Then open the paper. Repeat the same pattern on the second piece of paper. Paste one pattern on top of the other one like this. Start with the top section with the bottom paper and insert inside like this. Turn over and repeat to form a star. Like the Samurai Ninja.
Wow, how was it? Did you enjoy with the folding section? It's not difficult, right? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!